Hey guys, this is me again. Back to Vegas, time number 3. And this time we are staying at Bally's, which is on the street. And we are on the 17th floor. So here's a little tour of our room. So we'll begin. This is the entrance. This is the room. The room is pretty spacey. I mean, it's not a 5-star hotel, obviously, so here we go. So we'll start off from the bathroom. Bathroom is pretty nice as well. Here's this. Here's a nice big mirror. Hair dryer. Another big mirror. Bathtub. Bathtub is kind of nasty, but whatever, you know. When you need to take a shower, you'll take it anywhere. And toilet. Alright, so moving on, we have a closet with another full-size mirror, which is really nice. And then the safe is free, but you have to get it out before the room service comes, or they're going to charge you $3, so watch out. And board and everything, hangers. Okay, and here we are going to our room. It is pretty spacious. There's 4 people in it, and we all fit in. And there we go. Here's bed number 1, and there's bed number 2, and there's Julia. Okay, here we go. The light sucks here. There's like 1, 2, 3 lamps, and yeah, you want to get dressed.
That's why it's $11 and not $20.
Okay, so here's a lamp. It's bolted down. A nice drawer. A mirror. Another mirror. A TV. TV is kind of old school. It's like one of those huge ones, but whatever. You don't really watch TV in Vegas. It's a live show every day. So here's another lamp, a cute little table, more room here, and here is our view. It's kind of, you can't really see it because it's wet, but you can see, oops, sorry, there's Mirage, you can see Mirage, Caesar's, oh, it almost says Caesar salad, Caesar Palace, and the Flamingo. And it's pretty nice. I mean, it's, you know, everything's pretty close. We paid $60 a person, and it was okay. I mean, we paid for what we got. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay here.